Welcome back to Beautyistic. I'm so excited to dive into today's review, where we'll be taking a closer look at the BK Beauty Large Buffer and Round Foundation Brush Set, a professional-grade makeup brush duo that promises flawless foundation application. Whether you're a makeup pro or just love perfecting your base, let's see how this set performs. The BK Beauty Large Buffer and Round Foundation Brush Set consists of two brushes, the 105 Large Buffer and the 106 Round Foundation Brush. These brushes are designed for all your liquid, cream, and powder products. The 106 Round Foundation Brush is crafted to build coverage seamlessly, giving you control over your desired finish. It's not just for foundation, it's versatile enough to blend bronzer, contour, or blush. Meanwhile, the 105 Large Buffer Brush is meant for buffing products into the skin, whether liquid or powder, ensuring a smooth and even application. Both brushes are made from 100% cruelty-free vegan fibers, so they're gentle on the skin while offering precise application. Now let's talk about real-world testing. After using these brushes for my usual foundation routine, I found them incredibly effective at blending products seamlessly. The 106 Round Foundation Brush did an amazing job of applying liquid foundation evenly, with no streaks or patchiness. I also used it for blending cream blush, and it performed just as well. The brush's density helped control the intensity of the products, allowing for a soft, buildable finish. The 105 Large Buffer Brush is a dream when it comes to applying powders, whether it's setting powder or bronzer. It created a smooth, airbrushed look every time. However, there are a few things worth noting. The brushes are a bit larger than I typically use, which may take some getting used to if you prefer a more controlled application. Also, while they're great for multitasking, those with smaller faces or more delicate features might find them a little unwieldy for precise application. Let's dive into the pros and cons. On the positive side, the construction of these brushes is top-notch. They feel luxurious in hand, and the synthetic fibers are gentle on sensitive skin, which is a huge plus for anyone with skin concerns. The brushes also have minimal product absorption, which means you use less product, and that's always a win. They are also very durable. Even after multiple washes, I didn't notice shedding or breakage, which speaks to their high-quality craftsmanship. On the flip side, the larger brush heads might not be ideal for everyone. If you have smaller features or prefer precise application, you might find the 105 and 106 brushes a bit bulky. Additionally, while the brushes are made to last, they come with a higher price tag compared to drugstore options, which may be a concern for those on a tighter budget. When it comes to value for money, BK Beauty brushes are definitely on the premium side. But considering the construction quality, performance, and the fact that you'll be using less product, they can offer a good return on investment. These brushes won't absorb too much product, so you're actually using less foundation and powder, which extends the lifespan of your makeup products. If you're looking for comparisons, there are a few similar brushes in the market, but the BK Beauty set stands out because of its high-quality construction and the fact that it's cruelty-free and vegan. It also has a more luxurious feel than many drugstore alternatives. However, if you're looking for something more affordable, you can consider options like Real Techniques or ELF brushes, but they may not match the longevity or smooth finish that these brushes provide. As for build quality, these brushes are solid. The handle feels sturdy, and the fibers are tightly packed, meaning they won't shed or fall apart after a few uses. The bristles hold their shape well, and the brushes are easy to clean. Just be sure to follow proper brush care to maintain their longevity. I didn't need to reach out to customer service during my testing, but BK Beauty has built a solid reputation for responsive and helpful support. Plus, their satisfaction guarantee means you're covered if anything goes wrong. If you're looking for alternatives, there are cheaper options like Morphe or Real Techniques, but they don't quite measure up to the performance and durability of these BK Beauty brushes. To wrap it up, the BK Beauty Large Buffer and Round Foundation Brush Set is a solid investment if you're serious about your makeup routine and want to elevate your application process. The brushes perform well across a range of products, and their construction makes them a durable choice for long-term use. However, If you're on a tight budget or prefer more precise tools, there are alternatives that might suit your needs. If you're enjoying this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Beautyistic, and ring the bell for more tips and tricks. Thanks so much for watching, and if you have any thoughts or questions about the BK Beauty brushes, or if you already use them, drop a comment below. As always, you can find the link to get your own set in the description box. Until next time, stay flawless with Beautyistic, because beauty is in the details.